And Rakesh?
Yeah, you can put scope is limited to installation of these instruments, and no HSCA studies are envisaged.
I think this note we can put. No? Clearly, this note we can put.
Yeah. That note you can put.
Yes, very good. Because tomorrow when you read the report, probably this is not misguided.
Just to go to the point number 4. I don't know what is this. Scope is limited to installation cables and instrumentation only. I can just update it, the last 2 lines, 3 lines. Delete that last 2, 3 lines. No. Instrumentation only for the given scope. I don't know.
Okay. No problem. Yes, correct.
Sir, Rakesh sir, that note also is required, sir. I mean, we are at feed stage now, sir. It is applicable to operation.
Yeah. Keep it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yes to yes, yes. So the answer here is also yes to yes. Is any yes to yes present in the project?
Yes.
Answer is yes. But QRA, yes to yes joining not
No, existing. You can put it is limited to only this one. Existing
yes to yes joining.
STS zoning will be followed. Existing facilities, existing zoning will be followed.
Existing yes to yes joining. Even QRA, right? Even QRA.
Yeah, everything.
QRA and ERA.
Shall be referred.
Shall be referred. Very good. This is correct. Are there any change in the composition? No. It's not affecting the cable. This one S2S instrument cable. That's okay. Are there any change in the landing level? No.
No.
Any potential lifting over?
Yes.
Probably yes.
Lifting study to be carried out during EPC.
Lifting study or lifting plan?
Lifting plan,
study
whatever it is. Yeah. Lifting plan should be developed by EPC contractor.
Lifting plan shall be developed and approved.
Yeah.
Developed by EPC contractor.
You can refer to constructability report.